Right. Now, so last class we had stopped. We were discussing some programs, right? So उसमें कुछ doubt है how to find print all the numbers from 1 to 30 कुछ ऐसा देख रहे थे, and then how to print all the even numbers, how to print all the odd numbers. Will you be are you comfortable with such programs? Huh?
Yes, sir.
उसमें किसी को डाउट नहीं है? Everyone. I'll just write once briefly the program. Okay, so that program was write a program to print all the odd numbers from कहाँ से 1 to
30.
30. Okay, so if I am saying 1 to 30, the last odd number will be 29. Okay, so loop this loop will go from 1 to 30 only. Right. So in that case, just let me open the charts here as well. So in that case क्या होगा? Range will go from 1 to 30. तो इसमें हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? For I, चलो I नहीं, कुछ और ले लेते हैं आज. Z in range 1 to 30. So it will go to 39 only. Because we are
29.
printing odd. अगर even लिखते, if we had written even, we would have gone up to 31. Okay, because last even number from 1 to 30 is 30 itself. So here we will write if Z, first time Z is 1, so we will check if Z mod 2, when Z is divided by 2 is not equals to 0, then we'll write print odd. ठीक है, नहीं तो अगर दोनों प्रिंट करना हो, नहीं प्रिंट नहीं, अभी तो इस क्वेश्चन में वी हैव टू प्रिंट ओनली ऑड. सो व्हाट चेंज विल यू डू इफ you have to print even numbers?
Else print
Equal to
even.
0, sir.
1 to 30.
1 to 31.
1 to 31 करेंगे and
Else part लगा
Z modulus 2 equal to 0.
Modulus के double equal to 0.
डबल इक्वल टू आ जाएगा यहाँ पे.
Yes.
ठीक है, for even numbers the program will be for, this is not the part of the program. Okay, for let's say you can write y in range
1
y
to
1 to 31.
Sir, why are we adding print odd? It should be print Z, no? So
अच्छा, we will print like that. Print Z is odd. Better? Okay.
yes, sir.
So we'll write if Z mod 2 is equals to double equals to 0, then we will print what is Z is even. Let's say write a program to print which numbers are odd and which numbers are even from 1 to 30. इसमें क्या करेंगे?
If else will use, sir.
If else.
If else, correct. We'll use for, you can take x in range, कहाँ से? You'll start with 1 to 31 now,
31.
because both odd and even you have to print. You'll write if x mod 2 is equals to 0, then you will write print x is even, else you will print x is, just a minute, x is odd. ये बताओ, ये 3 cases, is it clear to all? Everyone, just have a look for 10-15 seconds. उसके बाद मुझे बताइए.
Sir, the range, the end part, if we don't put 31, if we take 31, it'll take us 30. But why? If we take 1, it won't be like 1. Like
It's because
start part.
they have defined it in that manner. वो behavior ही है. Okay, we cannot, मतलब कि sun gives light. अब तो उसका भी characteristic है ना. It's just like that. There is no logic. उसका कुछ logic होगा जो develop कर रहा होगा उसका. That maybe that person may be knowing.
Okay.
But this is the case in Python. But if you go, whatever you are saying will be correct in Java, C, C++. उसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है. उसमें you will write something like for, ठीक है, int I is equals to 0 नहीं. Let's say I equals to 1, I less than equals to 30, I is equals to I plus 1. ये सेम चीज को जावा में कुछ ऐसे लिखेंगे, system dot, I'm just giving an example, you don't need to
out dot println.
ठीक है, println, and then you will print I. ठीक है, this program will print all natural numbers from
Sir, how many languages do you know?
देखो, I'll tell you, this is a very vague and irrelevant question. I'll tell you why. From 1 to 30. The reason is that you learn one language and you can switch over to the another language within 1 or 2 days. Trust me, when I'm saying that, I'm not joking. I had told this to my earlier batch also, और उन्हें भी शुरू में surprising लगा था. But yes, they were able to. They are able to at times when it was required. They were able to code in C also, C++ also. ठीक है, कभी कभी जावा में भी हम लोग कोड किए थे. तो उसमें क्या है कि if you learn one programming language, every other programming language will be same, having same concept. The only difference will be a bit of syntax. तो for loop ऐसे लिखते हैं Python में, तो Java में ऐसे लिखेंगे. Once I give you the template कि Java's for loop will be like this, you will always be able to in Python block starts with colon. Here we have braces. Okay. So बस ये छोटा छोटा concept जान लोगे, but all other functionality, variable getting created, I getting created, first value I will be 1. Okay, then it will get inside, it will print, I will be increased by 1, new value of I will be taken, then again it will come back. Same thing will happen here even. So if you ask how many languages I know, so I will say I know the logic of all the languages. Give me the syntax and I'll give you the output. Okay, so what I am saying is get the concept and not the programming itself. Programming तो आ जाएगा, concept सीख लो हर language का, एक language का, because concept is same in all the language. Okay, right.
So for even numbers, you've given for y, and in the next line you've written z. So.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you. So it will be. So this will be y. Correct. Clear? तो इस टाइप के प्रोग्राम्स हो जाएंगे तुम लोगों से. Everyone tell me.
Yes,
Let
sir.
me ask. Others, Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Others also. Gaurav, Arpit, Nanika, Pooja.
Yes, sir.
Tejas, Ruchika, everyone. सबको clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we'll go to next type of concept within for loop. Okay. Till now we have seen कि for takes how many arguments. अच्छा, what are arguments? जो function में जितने value देते हो ना comma लिख के. For example, print में if I written hi, how are, and finally if I write you, okay, and then I'll write sep is equals to $. So tell me, how many arguments are there? If somebody asks, you will count the number of values provided separated with comma. So how many values? How many such values are there? 4.
3.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Whatever separates
That is sep.
Sep is also argument. This is also argument. This entire thing is argument. So whatever is written separated by comma forms one argument. Okay. So this is also argument. This is also argument. This is also argument. You will understand it properly in 12th standard when we deal with function. Argument. Okay. So how many arguments are there? Total 4 arguments. Okay. So till now, in range, what we
Where
have
can
seen.
you do the proper this one for this definition?
अभी नहीं हो पाएगा वो. Function जब पढ़ेंगे we will understand. Just know the terminology. Okay. We'll get the more concepts of arguments and parameters and functions when we deal with functions topics in standard 12. Okay. So right now you understand inside the function, whatever different things you are providing separated by commas, they are known as arguments. So in range, how many arguments we have seen so far? We give start and end. And the loop will go from, for loop will run from, how many times? Run from start to, let's say start can be any value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start to, कहाँ तक जाएगा? End तक?
N minus 1.
Correct, N minus 1, good. So, Aditya is asking, sir, if only output is given, can we identify how many arguments are there? No, we cannot. Because hi, how are you, और ये जो करके output आएगा, you can also specify it within single string. So merely by looking at the output, you cannot tell how many arguments were there in the print. I hope you are asking in context of print only. Okay. Even in case of range, most of the functions, you cannot specify how many arguments were there till the time you see the code. But yes, if you see the code, you can always tell the output. N minus 1. Okay. Now we'll see another variant of range or another variant of for. Okay. Another variant of for. So this time having 3 arguments. 3 arguments. What we have seen is something like for I in range 1 to 30, yeah, 1 to 300, anything. You can even have one variable declared here and then you can write 1 to A. So A will be the value of the variable identified by identifier A. Okay, that also you can do. So this is your starting value. 1 is your starting value and 30 is your ending value, right? Now, the variant that we are talking about, now we will see for I in range 1 to 30, 2. That means having 3 arguments. अभी तक तो 2 था, ठीक है, start and end. Now we are having 3 arguments. What do we mean by that? Okay, so here this is start, this is end, and this is step value. That is, in other words, increment or decrement value. Increment or decrement value. So if I write range 1, 30, 2, this will mean it will start from 1, go till 29, okay, and every time first, so list will be generated like starting value 1, last value 29 of the list, and every time in the first value, next value will be obtained by adding 2. So second value will be 3, third value will be 5, 7, 9, like that you will go to 29. So step means,
Sir, if we want even numbers, then we can start from 2.
correct, 100% correct. That is one of the solutions of one of the simplest solutions of generating even numbers from 1 to whatever. Okay. Right. So did you get the concept of step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
the
Yes.
only difference is the range will now generate such a list which will be assigned one by one to the variable looping variable I. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अब रेंज ऐसा वैल्यू बनाएगा कि फर्स्ट टाइम 1 आएगा, सेकेंड टाइम 1 plus 2 that is 3, third time it will take 5. So list will be generated like this. Okay. In other words,
And sir,
yeah,
instead of 2, we can write any other number also.
any other number, any integer. Okay, wait, I'm yet to discuss fully. Let me complete. So this means, okay, we can say,
Sir, message. Message.
okay, message. मेरे ऐप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया, it's not getting refreshed automatically every time I have to. No, अंकित float नहीं लेते हैं. Okay, that is the restriction. None of the arguments can be float.
Sir, here in range, when the value stops means after 27 or 28 means the loop stops. Come out.
Which one? Here.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, will it be able to reach? Don't look into this. Look into the list generated.
29, sir.
So it will take 1, 3, 5, 7, 29. There is no other value. It won't go even after that. So it won't reach 30.
No, sir, I'm saying like the loop will go until 27. No, so after 27 plus 2 is 29. So 28 it will not go.
No, 28. How will it reach 28? Because you are incrementing by 2, na? Every time.
Yes, sir, that's what.
It will skip 2, it will skip 4, it will skip 6, like that. So every time in order to generate list from the starting value, two values will be incremented till you reach the last value. Last value minus 1, whatever you have specified here. So we can say that a range 1 to 30 is same as, okay, range. So that means what? When you specify only two arguments, that is start and end, step is by default taken as what?
Sir.
0, sir.
1.
1.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Not 0. ठीक है, तभी ना यहाँ पे every time जो list बन रहा था 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you do not specify anything, the third argument directly is assumed as
1, sir.
1. Similar to the print, if you do not specify sep, what it takes for that?
Sir, what is
Blank
that? Sir,
space.
we can say
Blank
that
One
range
blank space.
1
Yes,
comma
sir.
30 is.
Huh?
We can say that range 1 comma 30 is. What is that?
This one,
Yes, sir.
you can say almost similar as. This is one
Sir,
way
how to read this?
इसको बोला जाता है similar to. ये मैथ्स में नहीं ऐसा ऑपरेटर यूज किया हुआ आज तक.
No, sir. Similar, we use only that curly one.
Only the curly one. That is congruent, I think, sir.
Similar and equal to. It's something like that.
Okay.
Yes, sir. One that, sir. S and two, one
Sir.
equal to sign.
Hmm.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 1 to 30 means I will go till 30.
Till 29.
Till 29. So, sir, if you want to print odd numbers from 1 to 30, we can even stop I at 20. We can write 1 to 28. It will stop at 27.
Oh, no, if you want to print all the odd numbers till 1 to 30, why will you stop at 28? Because 29 is also an odd number, no?
Sir, because 1 to 30 means I is going from 1 to 30. And that means if we go,
Listen. Don't look into this thing. Look into the list generated by it. Because this value will decide what all values will go into I. So if you write like this, range will give you a list like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 till 29. From this list, one time I will be taken and I will be printed. I will be taken and I will be printed. So if you have to include 29 also, so you will have to go till 30. If you write 28, let's say I go by what you are saying. Okay. If you write for I, okay, for I in range 1, what do you want? 28 here.
yes, sir. So my main doubt was that, sir, when I is 1, it will print 3. When I is 2, it will print 5. Sorry.
I won't
It
get
will
the value
print.
2. Understand this, what I am saying. I gets the value from the list generated by it every time. Okay. First list will be generated. I 1, 3, 5 like that till 29. So I won't get the 2. 2 तो कभी आएगा ही नहीं scene में. Because the list generated by range is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The first time I will get 1, it will go inside and will do the job. Whatever block you have written, let's say you have written print I. First time I will get the value 1 from the list, it will print 1. Next time I will get 3 from the list, it will print 3. Next time I will get 5 from the list, it will print 5. So 2 कहाँ आ रहा है बीच में? 2 is not coming ना.
Why is
Okay, so means I will become the value which is in the list.
That is always the case. You don't go by the range. It is not that the range will decide. It will what values will be in I will be decided by the list generated by the range.
Sir, why is it not
Okay.
giving 2? Taking 2?
Because you have given step value as 2. That means you are telling range to generate such a list that starting value should be 1. Okay, and then the subsequent values you should obtain by adding 2 to it, each of the numbers.
Sir, but if you want to decrease, you should write
Achha,
minus
this is not
2.
28. This will go till 27, I guess. Yeah.
Sir, so if we want to write, means decrease the value, we should write minus 2.
Correct. 100%.
Okay.
I'll come to that. Is it clear? Ilham, batao.
Clear, sir.
या मतलब अच्छे से क्लियर है या जबरदस्ती वाला क्लियर है?
नहीं सर, अच्छे से क्लियर है.
अच्छे से क्लियर है, गुड. तो व्हाट
प्रोग्राम करने के बाद क्लियर हो जाएगा सर.
और क्लियर हो जाएगा तो अच्छे से क्लियर नहीं है ना. देखो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज रिमेंबर
Sir.
what I gets
Sir,
is
there's a message.
okay. Okay, Bharat, I'll show the previous page. Ilam, one suggestion: when you are doing learning Python, don't keep Java in mind. I understand from where the doubt is coming. क्योंकि उसमें for loop है ना, range नहीं, list नहीं generate करता था. It started one by one जाता था. तो उस तरह का concept से correlate मत करो.
Okay, sir. So ये वो माइंड
Sir.
फिर ऐसा बन गया तो मुश्किल है थोड़ा सा वैसा सडनली चेंज
हाँ, that is what I am saying. Come as a blank slate. भूल जाओ. Forget Java.
Sir,
Yeah.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Ankit just now said that if we want to minus, then we can take -2,
I will
right?
come to that. I have not discussed that. Wait.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So what I am writing is what I gets is decided by the list generated by range.
Sir, what if the step is 0, sir?
Yeah, you can have step 0. Why 0? You can have -77 as a step. You can have -1500 as step.
Sir, so if it is 0, it'll be only one number in the list, or how does it work, sir? If it's
अच्छा,
0?
you are saying step as 0.
Yes, sir.
You try out क्या होगा? Try करके कल मुझे बताना. Okay, try it out and let me know tomorrow. Only one restriction is there. One restriction. That is, none of the arguments should be float. Only int allowed. Only int allowed in range. That means
Sir,
range
here
start, end, and float. Nothing. Step can nothing be. None of them can be this in range. Tell me.
Sir, if the increment decrement value is 0, so it will always print 1 1 1 1 1 1 then.
कल try करके वो बताना. Let me discuss something else. We will start that discussion. Your observation you will share tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, what is this restriction one? Can you explain that again?
I have written key in range start this end and step values. Neither of them can be anything other than integer values. Okay. Ankit, clear? Is it clear?
So the programmer has done it like that.
It will show value error as the third. Aditya has figured out ki 0 is not allowed in this step value. So also चलो लिख देते हैं note step value cannot be 0, value error. Okay, ठीक है. Now we will come to what we are saying is negative. Okay, let's say I have to print from. अच्छा बताओ ये प्रोग्राम क्या करेगा?
Sir,
Yeah.
so value error is usually a runtime error, right, sir?
Correct.
But in this case, is it runtime error or syntax error, sir?
It is runtime error because it will try to execute the loop, and while executing the loop, it will find that no, that is we cannot have the step value as 0.
Okay. So value error is always runtime error.
Yeah, अभी के लिए बस ये समझ लो. Okay.
Okay.
देखो, there are many types of errors. I have told you only 2. I think around 50 types of error may be there. Yes, I mean runtime error can be of 50 types, and such things are there. Exceptions and errors हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. Though it not in syllabus, अगर time मिलेगा तो I'll teach you exception handling. Yeah.
Sir, if the step value is 0, what will happen actually, sir, that it is error?
वो कर नहीं पाएगा. It will start executing the loop and then it will find that you have given 0. Then it will complain. Value error. I cannot proceed with this. You are telling me every time you have to move 1 steps ahead or 2 step ahead or jump 2 meter ahead. But I keep you standing and say कि now you have to jump 0 meters. What will you say? अच्छा वहीं खड़ा हूँ, तब तो कोई फायदा नहीं ना. You will always be standing there. You will never reach the end. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the doubt, sir?
अब तुमको इस बात पे डाउट हो गया कि what is the doubt? ठीक है, there is no doubt.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, what if we write 1 as start and 30 as end and minus 30 as step?
I am coming to that. Wait, मुझे नेगेटिव वाला डिस्कस तो करने दो.
Okay, sir.
Okay. चलो तुम्हारा ये ले लेते हैं. What did you say? 130
1 as start, 30 as end and minus 30 as step.
minus 30 नहीं, मैं minus 1 लूंगा. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll take minus 1. Okay, and then I'll say print I. So list बनाने की कोशिश करेगा. First of all, what will happen? It will try to form a list. So इसका
Nothing
list
is
कैसा
coming,
बनेगा?
sir.
First value will be 1. ठीक है? Then you have to go from 1 to 30 and you have said every time you have to decrease the value by 1. Is it all possible? मैं तुम्हें बोल रहा हूं कि you have to move 30 steps ahead starting from wherever you are starting. Let's say you are starting at mark 1. Let's say you are standing on one track and I have marked every track at an interval of 1 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. ठीक है, 6, 7. And here I have 0, -1, -2. मान लो ऐसे ट्रैक है, straight track, and you are standing at here. Okay. I tell you that you have to reach 7, and every time you have to jump 1 meter. ठीक है? No, I tell you, you have to reach, your starting position should be this. You have to end up at 7, but every time you have to take or you have to go back by 1. Will you ever reach 7?
No, sir.
तो यहाँ पे भी तुम वही बात बोल रहे हो कि you start at 1, go to 30, but every time you decrease by 1. तो पहला वैल्यू 1 होगा, next value should be 0, third value should be -1, but in this way will you be able to reach 30 ever?
No, sir.
So that will give you an error. Okay, so if you are using minus 1,
Sir, I tried it, but
What is the
it's
use of negative?
huh?
What is the use of negative then?
Wait, let me, अरे मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हो तुम लोग, कंक्लूजन पे मत जंप करो. Let me complete and then you present me your doubts. Okay, एक बार देख लो, 2 minutes. So what I am saying is, therefore, if step is negative, step value or step argument is negative, then start should be greater than end. That means अगर तुम्हें 10 से 1 तक प्रिंट करना है तो you will write, so I'll do it in the next page. There, for example, write a program to print all the natural numbers from 10 to 1, okay, in descending order.
Sir, just 1 sec. Can you go to the previous page?
Okay.
Last line was left. Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay. Next. In descending order. So what you will do? You have to start from output कैसा आना चाहिए? Expected output. Expected
10,
out
9, 8,
10,
7,
9, 8,
6.
7,
10,
6.
9, 8,
ऐसे
7,
करके तुम्हें you have to go till 1.
1.
So what will be the program?
For I in range
For I
30,
in
1 minus 1.
For I in range.
10, 1 minus 1.
See, list should be generated like list कैसा होना चाहिए? First value of I should be 10, second value should be 9, third value should be 8. तभी ना पहली बार में I 10 print करेगा. If you write an inside print I. तो list should be generated in such a way that the first value of the list should be 10, then 9. ऐसे होते होते it will go till 1. Okay. So print I. So what will you do? Range में what will be the start value?
10.
10.
10.
10, 1 minus 1.
0.
0 होगा सर.
देखो अगर राइट साइड में जाते हो तो 1 एक्स्ट्रा और लेफ्ट डिक्रीज कर रहे हो तो 1 बिफोर.
Okay.
ओके. अगर 10 तक जाना होता है 1 से तो डू यू गिव 11 राइट 1 एक्स्ट्रा. इफ यू आर कमिंग बैक देन 1 बिफोर. तो अगर तुम्हें 1 तक जाना है तो यू विल गिव 0. एंड व्हाट शुड बी द फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज 10. देन टू ऑब्टेन द नेक्स्ट वैल्यू शुड यू ऐड और शुड यू सबट्रैक्ट
Minus 1. Subtract sir.
हाँ, you should decrement by 1. So it will write -1. Now this program will give you 10, 9, 8, 7 ऐसे करके 1 तक. Now tell me your doubts. Have a look. Take 15-20 seconds. Tell me your doubt. We have learned very good important things in for.
So sir, if we write this way, we can't take -1 as +1.
नहीं. Positive means it will all first value से add होगा. Negative means first value से subtract होगा. Starting value will from starting value you will always keep on adding if in step value is positive. If a step value is negative, that means from the starting value you will always keep on decreasing by that magnitude.
So, sir, the last will be 2 minus 1.
Last will be 2 minus 1, that is 1.
Okay.
Okay, so तुम्हें 1 तक जाना है. So अगर पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में जाते हैं तो 1 to 10 जाना होता है तो you give 1, 11. If you are going negative side, then you will give the last value जो होगा उससे -1 दोगे. ठीक है. So if you are going in positive side, you will give 1 extra value. If you are going negative side, or that means if you are going backwards, you will give 1 less value in the end. ये बताओ सबको क्लियर है कि नहीं ये कंसेप्ट एवरीवन?
Yes sir.
Yes, Nanika?
Yes, sir.
She there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Pooja is there today? She's in the class?
Yes,
all
sir,
are
I'm
correct, sir.
Okay. Is it clear, Pooja? समझ में आ रहा है?
understood.
Okay, good. Very good. Right. So one last program we'll see, maybe another 5 minutes, and then
So in this program, if we don't write -1, then it'll be 1, no sir, the third argument.
if we write -1,
If we don't write -1, so the third argument is 1 by default.
by default it will be 1. In which case there will be
We get error.
error होगा. देखना, check करना क्या होता है.
So it's not executing, sir, but there's no
So it
error.
just goes to the next.
It won't. So, अच्छा मैंने error बोल दिया है क्या? It won't execute. Sorry. I made a mistake there. Error नहीं होगा. Not possible. So loop will not execute at all. Execute at all, and not execute at all means 0 times.
It will just go to the next.
It will
Yes,
be
it will behave as if it was not existing. This portion was not existing in the program. उस तरह से काम करेगा. Not execute at all. That means 0 times. ठीक है. तो मतलब अगर तुमने दे दिया है तो it will simply skip and will come to the next statement. Okay, I'm so sorry. I पता नहीं मैंने वहाँ error क्यों लिख दिया. Okay, so that is not possible. So 0 times. Maybe मेरे दिमाग में ये चल रहा था, ये वाला इसलिए लिख दिया. Okay, fine. Okay. So ये वाला concept clear है, negative वाला भी, everyone? Shall I proceed to the next
Yes,
example?
sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो एक next example देखते हैं हम लोग. Question. Write a program to print the sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 10. ठीक है, इसका solution next page. I'll take another 2-3 minutes. Okay. तो solution क्या होगा? Just observe. I'll walk you through in this program. We will write for I in range 1 to 10 चाहिए हमें, so I'll write 1, 11. Third value you can write as 1 or you can skip. By default it will be 1. We'll take one variable on the top as identified by s as 0, and we'll write s is equals to s plus I, and outside the loop we will print s. देखो क्या होगा. I'll walk you step by step. First line में what will happen? A variable will get created. That means a memory block will be reserved in the RAM. Okay, will be labeled as s, and an integer value 0 will be put inside it. Correct? ये तो पहला लाइन में किसी को डाउट नहीं है. First line will at the end of execution of the first line this effect will be taking. Clear? अरे बताओ हाँ या ना, then I can proceed.
Yes,
Yes,
clear,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I explain it again?
अरे s equals to 0 क्या करेगा? It will create a variable having a value 0 identified by s.
Okay.
That is only saying, only first line I am talking about.
Okay, sir.
This will result in the creation of a variable which will be identified by s. That means a memory block will be reserved in RAM, having a label s on it or identified by s, and having a value 0 inside it. Now, उसके बाद अंदर में क्या होगा? Step इसके अंदर में list will be created from 1 to 10. ये first step होगा. Second step will be variable I will be created. Third step will be, this is all happening in line number 2 only. This is line 1, this is line 2. So 1 and this is line 2 ka execution. Okay, and third step will be one value will be assigned from the list, first value in I, that is 1. Okay, इसमें क्या होगा? Line number 3 में what will happen is, always right side of the assignment operator is solved first, and then whatever comes is assigned to the left side.
So it will be 0 plus 1 and 1.
So currently what is the value of s? Value of s is value of s in first round in value of s is equals to 0 when I is equals to 1. अभी जब I का पहला value 1 मिला है and then immediately it got inside, so we'll start solving the expression on the right side first of the equal to. So s is 0. Okay, when I is 1 for the first time. So the expression, therefore, the expression s plus I will give you how much? 0 plus 1. This is equals to 1. And then this 1 will be assigned to, then this 1 will be assigned to this one, that is result of s plus I will be assigned to s again, assigned to s again. So s will be overwritten, therefore s will be overwritten by, अभी के लिए ऐसे समझो, overwritten by what, नया वैल्यू क्या आया है 1. So therefore now the variable s will change to 1 इस स्टेप के एंड में. ठीक है, this was when I is equals to 1. Okay, now इसको पहला राउंड हो गया लूप का. This was round 1. Okay, second round of the loop, in the round 2 I will take a new value again. Okay, इसमें से एक नया वैल्यू I में जाएगा, that will be the second value. I will become 2. उल्टा लिख दिया. Okay, what is s at the start of this? S is 1 and I is 2 when the loop has started. Okay, उसके बाद क्या होगा नेक्स्ट लाइन में? It will go inside, right side will be solved first. What is the value of I? So s plus I will give you, एक्सप्रेशन का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा s plus I का? 3. Okay, so now and this 3 will be assigned to s. So s will become, in round 2 में ही s will become 3. round 2 over हो जाएगा. round 3 में what will happen? I will get a new value, I will become 3. At the starting of round 3 s is also 3. Okay, now s plus I 6. ठीक है, therefore s will become, because this value expression will be again, result of the expression will be again assigned back to s. ठीक है, so s will become 6. फिर round 4 शुरू होगा of the loop. I will get a new value, I will become 4. s was, last value was 6. Okay, and then s plus I again in the body, it will go inside, again it will come inside. S plus I will be again evaluated, the result of this will be again assigned back to s. Okay, so s plus I will become 10. ठीक है, इस तरह से तुम्हारा ये चलते जाएगा. कब तक? How many rounds will be there?
9 rounds.
10 rounds. 10 rounds.
11 जा रहा है ना.
11.
So answer will be 55.
So whatever. ठीक है, so in this way this
Sir,
will
can you go to the
continue.
previous page?
Just a minute. This will continue till round 10, where
Sir, we can solve this question using formulas also, no, sir? Why are we using loop?
No. This is not mathematics. यहाँ पे formula use नहीं करेंगे. Because we are not going to use, अरे ये तो मैं एक one of the examples बताया हूँ, where you have to find the sum of all the natural numbers. Loop has many results. ये तो one of the cases में math का formula काम कर जाएगा. But there are many implications where you will need such concepts. Okay.
Sir, either we have written s is equal to s plus I. Can we write s plus equal to I also in place of that?
Correct. That also you can do. You can also use augmented assignment operators. So you can, this can also be written as, okay, यहाँ पे I'll give s plus I is similar to and equal to s, sorry. Okay. S is equals to s plus I is equals to, similar to s plus equal to I. यहाँ पे दोनों लिख सकते हैं, augmented assignment operator भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay, so I'll wrap it up here. बहुत ज़्यादा खींच लिया time. Here one more line I'll write. This is a very important thing where final value of S will be the answer. So now tell me one thing. So my question is, should you print I inside the body of loop or outside? मैंने वहां पे outside लिखा है, पर is that correct?
No, sir. It should be inside.
Huh?
I think.
So my
Inside.
question is, shall I print here,
It should be inside, sir.
or it should be inside the body?
Inside, sir.
Anyone?
Sir, no, sir. It should be here only,
Outside,
sir.
sir,
It should be
outside.
Outside.
Outside, you get
Outside
only
only,
one
sir.
answer. So if you print it inside, you'll get 10 answers.
10
Okay.
answers, correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after every time you modify S, each of the intermediate result will be declared, printed. Why? पहले बार I का value क्या change होगा? 1. So it output will be 1. Next time I will be modified again to 3. It will print 3. Next time it will become 6. देखो third step में ये I 6 बना है, तो फिर वो 6 भी print करेगा. It will print 6. But it so on till all the stages. Till the time it reaches whatever 55 बोला था ना तुमने, right? So till it reaches that value, I'm assuming this is the last value. All the intermediate steps will also be printed. And what I have written here, at the end of round 10, the last value, the final value or the last value of S will be the answer. So if you need only the last value of S, so should it be printed inside or outside?
Outside, sir.
Okay. So remember, if only last value is required, don't print inside loop. ये clear है सबको कि why we printed inside and not outside, or so outside not inside? Okay.
Yes.
अच्छा 12th का class है मेरा, they are
So
Okay,
could
chal-
you share the PDF, sir? Of the
I will
class?
100% share. मैं 2-3 class का share नहीं किया हूँ. I will
Yes.
share by end of the day.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. And one more thing, let me just turn off the recordings.